Hi guys, I'm Mark and I'm an oyster boy, and today I'm going to be throwing together some pizza. A bit different this time. I'm going to be using some frozen dough that I got out of the freezer and also some leftover brisket that I had that I cooked on my Traeger Ironwood 885. There's a video up here of me making that brisket. It was delicious. So I've also got some jalapeños and some low moisture mozzarella, and instead of using tomato sauce for the base, I'm going to use barbecue sauce because with a brisket, why not? So let's make it and see how it turns out. All right then, so we've got some semolina, double milled semolina, brisket, mozzarella, and jalapeños, barbecue sauce for the bottom, and the pizza base. So let's see how this works out. Let's grab a room here. Never quite sure how much barbecue to use because I've never done this before, so let's spread this around. Probably too much actually. Well, I'm sure it'll be delish. So this is, there is some point and some flat meat in here, so we'll have some fatty and some lean. Let's go and get some of that on there. Quite a lot actually there. Get some cheese on top of that. And a load of jalapeños because I want some spice. Okay, and we will get this up onto this peel. Final stretch, full size, put a little bit more brisket in the middle, boink. Tasty. There we go, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? Let's have a little look inside here. Of course, looks nice. Airy. That is mega. So the brisket, even though it had been in the freezer and it felt like quite stiff when it came out and it was cooling down to room temp, when you heat it up, I mean, if you look, it just goes super tender again. And this frozen dough is an absolute killer. It's all right. So there we go, brisket pizza. Absolutely bob on.